Hello, dear learners of Class 6. Today we are going to do Unit number 6, Tenses 2. Here we are going to know about continuous tense. See, in continuous tense, the verb indicates an ongoing or an incomplete action in past, present, or future. The action will be incomplete one or that will be ongoing. The common rule in continuous tense we will follow like helping verbs plus verb first form plus ing. Here, helping verb will differ in each of the tense there, and the common will be verb first form plus ing in all the tenses, that is your past, present or future. Now let's know about present continuous tense in detail. See, present continuous tense. The uses of present continuous tenses are: it describes something which is happening at the exact moment of speech. It also describes an action that is taking place now but not at the exact moment of speech. It describes an event planned in future but that should be in informal. It describes a temporary situation. It emphasizes the frequency of an action. It also describes changing situations. These are the uses. Whenever we want to use present continuous tense, we will focus over these uses. The rule for present continuous tense will be subject plus is mr plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be for your simple sentence. For negative sentence, we'll use subject plus is mr plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Here we will add not to make it negative one. And when it comes to is mr verb, here is we will use with third singular person, that is your he, she, it. With first singular person I will use am, and with first plural and second person and third plural person will use are. Means with we, you, they, we are going to use are. These are the rules for your present continuous tense. The examples for present continuous tense are: first we have Arun is watching television at that moment. Here the action is describing which is happening at the exact moment of speech. Raman is working at Chennai. I'm taking my dance class on Tuesday. The child is crying for no good reason. See, these examples are showing the uses whatever we have discussed. So this is your present continuous tense. Now here comes the next tense, that is your past continuous tense. Now the uses for past continuous tenses are: it describes parallel actions in past, describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time, that is in past, express interrupted action in past, describe repetition and irritation. These are the uses of your past continuous tense. The next will be the rules for past continuous tense. Here, subject plus was were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be your rule for simple sentence. Subject plus was were plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. That will be the rule for negative sentence. Here was were is the helping verb for past continuous tense, and verb first form plus ing will be the same one. Okay. So here was is used with I he, she, it. And when it comes to we, you, they, we'll use were there. Let's do the example to know more about past continuous tense. Here we have the first example. While I was washing the dishes, I heard a loud noise. Here you can see was plus verb first form plus ing is written. Okay, that is your was washing, and was is used with I here. Next we have I was working in the garden all day yesterday. Third one is there. She was driving to work when she crashed her car. Last we have you were always complaining in the class. So here we can find out the rule as well as the uses in these examples. This is all about your past continuous tense. Now the next comes, that is your future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, we have the uses like it describes interrupted action in future, express actions in progress at a specific time in future, refer to actions that are happening now and expected to continue in the future. It also asks question politely about the future, emphasizing future plans and intentions, describe atmosphere in future, and lastly we have express parallel action or series of parallel actions in future. These are the uses for your future continuous. Now here comes the rules for future continuous tense. See here we have subject plus will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. In the next we have subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, these are the rule for simple and negative sentences in future continuous tense. You can observe will be and shall be is the helping verb in your future continuous tense. For I and we, first person will use shall be, and for second and third person, whether it is singular or plural, will use will be. And verb first form plus ing will be the common one in all the sentences here. Let's know more about through the examples. And the first example we have, when you come from Delhi, they will be playing tennis. Next we have, unfortunately, sea levels will still be rising in 20 years. He will be coming to visit us next week. And lastly we have, she will be watching TV and he will be cooking dinner. So here you can observe the uses of the rule as well as the uses of the future continuous tense. So that's all about your continuous tense. I hope you all have understood the rules as well as the uses. That's all for today. Thank you.